Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to log in Gmail without verification code. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Gmail app. Now if you don't have your Gmail app, simply go to the App Store and download the app. And now once you have downloaded the app, log into your account. Now once you are logged in here, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. And once you're inside here, now, in order to log in without verification code, what you need to do is simply tap on add another account and then select Google. Now here, what you need to do or what you need to keep in mind is that if your account has two-factor authentication enabled, then you won't be able to log in without verification code, because the two-factor authentication method requires a verification code. But if you haven't activated the two-factor authentication code, then all you gotta do now here is simply type in your email, and then once you have done that, tap on next. The next page will ask you to enter your password. Simply enter in your password and then tap on next. Now if you have turned on your two-factor authentication, then you won't be able to log in, but if you haven't turned on to your two-factor authentication, you'll be logged into your account. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.